Roger.
Approach 09 and QNH 1025, easy 2939.
Down.
We'll close you 2939. Gear down 3 green, easy 2939.
Easy 2939, Roger, going 070 degrees, 09 knots, runway 09, clear to land.
Runway 09, clear to land, easy 2939.
Greenlight FM at timing 0910.
0910, easy 2939.
Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, vectoring for surveillance radar approach at runway 09, terminating at point X-ray, approach minima at 920 feet. Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, continue present heading, report your heading. 53 Whiskey Alpha, I do have VFR helicopter, 10 miles, tracking northeast at 1,000 feet. Continue descent to 1,500 feet. Information all around you to poor surveillance performance.
Copy, Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha.
Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, will you be flying tracks or headings?
Tracks, Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha.
Whiskey Alpha, Roger, tracks approved, ATC phraseology will remain headings.
Tracks approved and copy, Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha.
Alpha, Recontact me on talkdown 130.4. Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, Gibraltar talkdown, read back QNH set. Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha identified. Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, turn right heading 300 degrees. Correcting rapidly. 70 degrees, 8 knots. 9 miles, turn right heading 310 degrees.
Right heading 310 degrees, EC53 Whiskey Alpha.
EC53 Whiskey Alpha, do not acknowledge further instructions unless requested. 3.5 miles at 1050 feet, runway 09 cleared to land, servicing 060 degrees, 8 knots on the recommended track.
Cleared to land 09, EC53 Whiskey Alpha.
Miles 920 feet at point X-ray. Are you busy with the threshold? Roger, continue visually. Tower 131.2.
131.653 Whiskey Alpha.
Whiskey Alpha, check frequency 131.2.
131.2, EC53 Whiskey Alpha, apologies.
We've got 166 max 6 crew on this one.
South 120 degrees, 7 knots, runway 09, clear for labour.
Clear runway 09, clear 493.
Departure instructions after departure, redirect PMOS, climb flight level 90.
Okay, that's
Runway 09, wind 120 degrees, 7 knots, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, please take on 09, 46 Abdul. Apologies, so it's Gatwick by Pumas, Savia, Sausage, Victor, Juliet, Fox, Squawking 4536, EC46 Papa Golf.
EV46 Papa Golf, correct, and stand by for your push, you do actually have a slot of 1025.
All copied, EC46 Papa Golf.
EC2940, correct, runway 09, wind 130 degrees, 8 knots, clear for takeoff.
Runway 09, clear for takeoff, EC2940. Go ahead, EC2940.
EC2940, after departure, route direct Primos, climb flight level 120.
After departure, direct Primos, climb flight level 120, EC2940.
EC2940, contact Gibraltar radar 122.8.
122, EC2940.